Okay, kids, we're back. We're talking about one of the main applications of transformers, the distribution of electrical energy. Now, energy is produced at a generating station. Could be water falling, could be steam from burning natural gas, or steam from a nuclear power plant that is producing motion that's converted into electrical energy. And a lot of the times it's coming out at about 20,000 volts. Now we have our own local generating station, Sir Adam Beck, as you're driving along the parkway towards Queenston. Here's the older generating station, Sir Adam Beck number 1, the newer station, Sir Adam Beck number 2, and the water that comes in through tunnels that are underground in Niagara Falls and the hydro canal just down the road from us at West Lane eventually gets to here. And some of it falls through the new station, some of it falls through the old station, some of it is diverted into the reservoir that we have in the northern part of Niagara Falls if we don't need the power at that time. This can be filled with water, so it falls lately. So as I was saying, the power at most generating stations comes out at a pretty high voltage, but it's not high enough for transmission. So it's at 20,000 volts, but to transmit it, hundreds of miles, because the electricity has to go through the entire system, the grid of electrical energy, you need a step-up transformer. Look, few turns in a coil, many turns in a coil. So it's stepped up to like a 500,000 volts or just over a 250,000 volts. Then it's starting to get to its destination. So we're going to try to get that electricity to the consumer, you and your home, schools, businesses, things like that. That's too high, right? Because eventually we want to get to 240 volts for your home, right? We want to go from 500,000 volts, 250,000 volts to 240 volts to someone's home. So we have to start to bring it down. So we go through a series of step-down transformers. Look, many turns in a coil, fewer turns. Many turns in a coil, fewer turns, all the way through there. All right. So you start to see smaller distribution stations. You might see devices like that. It's a transformer. It's being cooled also with these fins here. There's one very close to us. This is actually near our school, Kayla Road. Look at these transformers with coolant and things because they do heat up as we try to bring the power to a lower voltage for the consumer. And the voltages get stepped down even further. You might see some of these in different neighborhoods. You might even see a green box in a newer neighborhood. A green box in a newer neighborhood is sort of the newer version of these pole transformers that you might find in some of the older neighborhoods that eventually get the voltage down to 240 volts that will go into your home. So this is the video lesson. There's a video for you to watch, some reading to do, and some questions, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.